Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Ambulance pa obi oyare no. So ambulance pa obi a. Amfani nko asore dem. Oni sa. Legon Hospital John Dramani ma esi ye no. Eni ho a ambulance ba ko asore dem na dokọ nipa.
The motor has NF nipa ufuo de no ko
me say ambulance na e di ba ye no. Se fire fo a emfa nko asore dem. E dey call hospital to be treated. And if you don't have quality hospital, you have a good hospital, ambulance in Juma. And when they pick them, they take them to Legon Hospital. John Dramani Muhammad is here. Where and on person won't be. They go to they don't do a hospital. That is what we are talking about. They go to Kwalibu where we reestablish it. That is where they go. So they tell us that story and they stop saying it. Again, it is over for them now to be using story against John Muhammad. So what can I say? Ashanti man would go the Yakra problem too. What John Muhammad said. He as a president, he doesn't differentiate between Ashanti or anybody. Even though Ashanti region will not vote for him because he's the stronghold, he will do KJDR market there. It's proven. Even though I'm on two manumbo, but when yes I on two mammy mean yet war. But Akufado, because he hates votarians and voter region because they don't vote for him. The airport is one be up to date. Besides, you understand? You see, we will not allow them to be taking that thing. Someone said your mama can say we gold. So your mama say, "Me your mama crap to mami." But except because you told mama say me your magana, and I did get the market. You should tell me say get the market. You know, I go for the near. You should tell me.
But at least you know, I go for the insu. I call mama chrome.
Oh, I feel okay at least. Or can one cut at least? I feel okay at least. Me say that statement John Muhammad stood there saying, continue that statement after what he said. What can I say? Even though I am to Mame, and then truly 2016 they didn't vote for him. Even after KDTR market, did Ashanti region voted for NDC? No. Until Tionaka say was say Hakwapo go that it insulted Ashanti region. You can't incite that one to us. You can't. That one is over. Akufado Krom, John Muhammad you so called for the first time. That statement got any problem.
And for the first time, Nkrumah na decoy.
Me say so I pipe water.
And
Nanka galam say promo.
But the first time in Soko Chibi, Nkrumah na decoy.
But so now John Muhammad you say John Muhammad decoy. Confirm it.
No more breaking down John Muhammad.
Thank you. Again, what's evidence? Let me say you are not playing the video for now. So far I've given the video to you. Let me know that one. That video now, what can one say about the video now? I see, I will still continue advising the MPP. If truly fans say you love Ghana, then can you say this you? One MPP can just look at you, say, because we say you don't, in fact, challenges that if you go and take the challenges that are here across the country, go and take all the challenges, every region. So I see MPP now challenge here, he challenged based on tribe. Yes. I'm telling you.
NDC challenge your challenge based
on
what?
If NDC is challenging age, go and take the records. Go and take the record right now and see the challenges that NDC does. NDC will get away minor until they challenge. But whatever MPP challenge, once your name sound Votarian, Pepe in some constituency, they challenge you. Pepe, just like that. Go and check. I want to just memo Juma. Go and do that review committee, district review committee. National challenges now, world review committee. Go and check it. It doesn't help. Yeah. After that, MPP, NDC. In fact, you have Votarians in your party, MPP. You have all these tribes in your party. But as soon as you get power, then you think say they don't matter. Me, I advise the media more. Yeah. Musa made a seminar work here. Unim so is Zongo minister. Obeko Zongo. And he will go and talk about these things. I'm sure when he get there, what I say, you will be killing for some Mosi and a Wagana Mosi. But
that is what we are told, he said.
Okay. Okay.
I feel also okay.
Maybe which
if you don't misquote people just like that
will just
for political gain. And it's never done anyway.
No, I fuck.
I will urge you to retract that statement. I will urge you to retract and you apologize.
to register just because they vote in Ghana. And Mosi man in Burkina Faso will sit in car from say Burkina Faso just to come and register and vote here. No, as I'm going to vote to her. I do think it's reasonable. That we just think about it. Just think about it. If you don't have this shallow analysis of certain people here, if you don't have this, yeah, this is where Bawumia told Ghanaians, the whole Ghanaians say, Togolese are in Ghana register. In fact, 10% is 8,000, and we are going to interrogate it in this register. I'm telling you, say we're going to put Bawumia and the 2020 register under Akufo-Addo. Okay, say Akufo-Addo kabo eka on the statement address and say register by this time no Ghana register enye ECOWAS register 60 million ECOWAS register. Any 60 million you and I will call it what? ECOWAS register. You will put that credibility on it. And then me catch now say I want to say Senya East Kaswa and 50,000 more to register between 1 year. We want to see what Bawumia will do at analysis. Say what border towns, sir. But you see, we'll get to the grounds. You will talk. Oh, education. Okay, sir. We'll get to the grounds. But in any case, when you talk about development, when you say that Akufo-Addo Ewa State Job Commission University, we buy now already project in the buy. Not John Mahama in a year. And not John Mahama in a year. And not John Mahama. Into the mama by one university or history about any year. We will integrate a better one. Okay, I said there was demonstration in that Probo area because Akufo-Addo said the Probo doesn't deserve university. That they want to take it to Chebi. Okay. In the BSI University, no. It's in region to go and commission it for campaign. I say a campaign every year. We will use it. Say campaign.
I said we'll see administration. Who see administration and on ABC at was
President.
Who see administration block?
I'm saying I saw that.
And
I am there. You see, no cracker
in the history.
No cracker, the symbol of who? No cracker.
So who said university in history region? No, why?
But I said there's a parliamentary record.
What do you say? Peace FM, Danway, Neat FM. AC Sad Danway, no more review. It doesn't change Peace FM today because that design no be that to honor whatever you do in that is the don't mean the sunny view. So the commission no and there John Mahama and you should tell me say school ban a university ban Akufo-Addo Kumaka say me buy me time me middle university back Ghana say me on see administration be
okay
we'll do that analysis. You better issue basis.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.